Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. During my recent pursuit of science, I encountered gorilla hail that damaged some of the plastic trim on my ride. I'm going to fix this with flex tape. I clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. Then I cut a piece of flex tape to fit. Peel off the backing tape. And stick in place, smoothing down. This one's done, now onto the extreme damage. The hail really wrecked this piece of trim at the bottom of the windshield. There's some mega holes in it. Again, we clean it with isopropyl alcohol so that we can get good adherence of the flex tape. After I've unwrapped the flex tape, I figure out how much I need and cut it to size. Also, box cutters or a razor blade work well for cutting the tape. I peel back just a portion of the backing tape, then position it in place whilst removing the remainder of the backing tape. Flex tape is extremely sticky, and by doing it this way with larger pieces, it makes it easier to apply. I want to keep the water out, and Flex Seal conforms to all the contours. Job done, now ready for storm chasing. Thank you for watching. Flex on.